Lean accounting, not as scary as it sounds. Good day, everyone. Welcome to a new way of thinking about your finances. Today, we're diving into the wild world of lean accounting. Sounds terrifying, right? Like a hungry shark wearing a calculator. But don't worry, it's not as complicated as it seems. But trust us, it's way less scary than it seems. In fact, it can be quite empowering and even fun once you get the hang of it. Imagine this, your business is a kitchen, a bustling, busy kitchen where every second counts. Traditional accounting is like using every pot, pan, and utensil to make toast. It's chaotic and inefficient. Lean accounting? That's finding the toaster and ditching the clutter. It's about making things simple and straightforward. It's all about simplifying things, ditching unnecessary processes, and focusing on what truly matters, making your business a well-oiled, profit-making machine. Imagine the time and resources you save. No more drowning in spreadsheets, we promise. Instead, you'll have clear, concise data at your fingertips. Things like organizing your shit. A daunting task at first, but incredibly satisfying once it's done. At first, it's chaos, tools everywhere, rusty nails, that mysterious stain. If you're overwhelmed, lean accounting helps you get rid of what you don't need and find you looking for faster. It's like a breath of fresh air for your business, plus a breath of fresh air for your business. Plus, you might uncover that vintage didgeridoo you forgot. Or in business terms, you might find hidden profits and opportunities you never knew existed. The perks of being lean: less waste, more dough. So, why should you care about lean accounting? It's not just a buzzword, it's a game changer for your business. Simple, it saves you time and money. Imagine cutting down on unnecessary expenses and streamlining your processes. Who doesn't love more of those? More time means you can focus on what really matters, growing your business. It's like finding a $20 bill in your pocket. Pure joy. And who wouldn't want that kind of surprise? Traditional accounting can be like trying to herd cats, messy and unpredictable. The chaos can be overwhelming. Lean accounting, on the other hand, is like herding a couple of very chill Labradors. Everything is under control and manageable. Everything is streamlined, efficient, and way less stressful. Your team will thank you for making their lives easier. With lean accounting, you'll have a much clearer picture of your actual costs, making it easier to price products, identify areas for improvement, and ultimately, boost those profits. It's all about clarity and precision. Think of it like swapping your old clunker for a shiny new sports car. Your business will be running smoother and faster than ever before. The transformation is not just in speed, but in efficiency and effectiveness. Real-world lean. Companies winning at the efficiency game. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but does anyone actually lean accounting? You bet they do. And they're crushing it. Companies across various industries are embracing lean principles and seeing remarkable results. Take Toyota, for example. They're practically the rock stars of lean manufacturing and accounting. By eliminating waste and streamlining processes, they've become one of the biggest car manufacturers in the world. Their efficiency is legendary. They even wrote a book about it. Don't worry, we won't quiz you. Their methods have inspired countless others. But it's not just big companies. Lean principles are versatile and can be applied to any business. Plenty of small businesses have hopped on the lean train and are reaping the rewards. They're finding new ways to cut costs and improve efficiency. From coffee shops to tech startups, lean accounting is helping businesses of all shapes and sizes thrive in today's competitive market. It's a game changer for everyone. All right, we know accounting isn't exactly known for its comedic value, but even bean counters need a good chuckle every now and then. Why did the accountant break up with the calculator? Because he felt like he was just adding to his problems. See, we told you we could make accounting fun. Okay, maybe not stand-up comedy fun, but hey, we tried. So, there you have it, folks. Lean accounting in a nutshell. It's all about simplifying processes and eliminating waste, focusing on what matters most, making money, giving you a clearer picture of your costs and profits, and helping businesses of all sizes succeed. Think of lean accounting as your business's new best mate. It's there to help you streamline operations, boost efficiency, and make more money. And who wouldn't want a friend like that? So ditch those clunky spreadsheets and embrace the lean revolution. Your business and your bank account will thank you for it.